Top 10 Bizzare Creatures that shocked the world. According to the Census of Marine Life, there are approximately 8.7 million species in the natural world, including 6.5 million species on land and 2.2 million in oceans. However, many experts believe that this estimate could be off by millions, and the real number could be far higher. Despite the overwhelming number of them, some of them turned out to be rather more peculiar than the rest of the animal and underwater kingdom. In this video, we are discussing 10 of the most bizarre animals that may be found on our planet. Number 10. A lizard with a frill across its neck. The frill-necked lizard, which is native to the northern parts of Australia and southern parts of New Guinea, has a terrifying appearance with its huge frill. Yet, the friendly, low-key critters are solely interested in eating insects. However, as many animals are interested in the lizard, it has changed its body to ward off potential predators. They can sprint exceedingly quickly, and as they gain up speed, they are capable of running on just their rear legs. It is well recognized for raising what is known as its neck frill, which is an additional flap of skin that wraps around its neck to frighten off potential predators. The northern regions of Australia and New Guinea are home to these lizards. This reptile does not possess any venom and does not spit forth any poison. Number 9. The blobfish. Off the shores of mainland Australia, New Zealand, and Tasmania, the blobfish is a species of deep-sea fish that lives in waters barely above the seabed at depths ranging from 600 to 200 meters to 000 to 900 feet. The blobfish has certain peculiar adaptations to survive in the waters it prefers, which contribute to its somewhat bizarre appearance. However, these adaptations allow the blobfish to survive. The blobfish can float because it is composed of a gelatinous mass that has a density that is only marginally higher than that of water. Number 8. Goblin Shark. The goblin shark is a unique species of deep-sea shark that has only been around for about 125 million years. It is also the sole living member of the family Mysteriousdiscoveries, which dates back even more. This animal has pink skin, a long, pointed snout, and crooked teeth that resemble nails. It also can move extremely quickly. When fully grown, it typically measures between 10 to 13 feet, 3 to 4 meters, though there have been reports of specimens far longer than this, including one that was reportedly 6 meters long that was captured in the year 2000. 20 feet. Number 7. Commodore Dog. The Commodore, also called the Hungarian sheepdog, is a large Hungarian breed of livestock guardian dog that is white. It has a white coat that is corded in a way that resembles dreadlocks or a mop, and the dog is known to be very protective of its flock. The texture of the coat is similar to feathers. On the other hand, the coat is curly and has the propensity to twist as the puppy gets older. When the fine undercoat and the coarser outer coat join forces to form fringes, the result is a coat that has reached its complete maturity and its natural shape. Number 6. Echidna. The echidna, which also goes by the name spiny anteater, is the first of several Australian species that are featured on this list. It is one of only 2 mammals that belong to the monotreme order, which indicates that it does not give birth to live young but instead lays eggs. They have lengthy snouts that are lined with electroreceptors and are coated in spines all over their bodies. This is a trait that can only be found on land in echidnas and platypuses. Echidnas are believed to have descended from a monotreme that was similar to platypuses between 20 and 50 million years ago. The ancestor of echidnas lived in water, but with time, they adapted to life on land. On the surface, they are similar to the anteaters that are native to South America as well as other spiny animals such as porcupines and hedgehogs. Number 5. 𝐾𝐤𝐤𝐤. The 𝐾𝐤𝐤𝐤 is a species of long-fingered lemur that is native to Madagascar. It is a strepsirrhine primate and has rodent-like teeth that continue to develop throughout its life. It also has a particularly slender middle finger. The 𝐾𝐤𝐤𝐤's eyes bulge out, its ears are enormous, and it has tufts of hair. It is the largest nocturnal primate that may be found anywhere on the planet. It is distinguished by the peculiar manner in which it searches for food. First, it taps on trees to locate grubs. Then, it gnaws holes in the wood using its forward, slanting incisors to make a small hole. Finally, it puts its narrow middle finger into the hole and pulls the grubs out. Number 4. Axolotl. The axolotl, which is also known as the Mexican walking fish, is one of the most unusual species of amphibians that can be found anywhere in the world. The amphibian is neotenic, which means that even after it reaches maturity, it retains its gills and aquatic lifestyle. This is in contrast to most other amphibians, which undergo metamorphosis as part of their maturation process. They are also able to regrow practically all of the portions of their bodies that have been damaged. Even though axolotls are on the verge of extinction in their native Mexico, they have flourished in captivity and have become highly coveted both in the realm of scientific research and by regular people as pets. Number 3. Platypus. The platypus is a mammal that lays eggs and is semi-aquatic, nocturnal, and poisonous. It is indigenous to eastern Australia, including Tasmania, and is frequently referred to as the duck-billed platypus. Other characteristics include, similar to bats and sharks, the mammal has developed electroreception to assist in the localization of prey. However, it possesses approximately 40,000 electroreceptors, which provides amazing accuracy. This tiny animal, which can only reach a maximum length of around 50 centimeters at the most, is one of the few animals in the world that is considered to be the sole representative of its family and genus for scientific classification. Number 2. Dumbo Octopus. It is not hard to see how this species received its name. They have a conspicuous ear-like fin that extends from the mantle over each eye, which is reminiscent of the figure Dumbo from Disney's 1941 film of the same name, and they look very much like him. At least 100 feet, 4,000 meters, below the surface is where it makes its home. The record for the longest and heaviest Dumbo octopus ever caught was 5 feet and 10 inches, 1.8 meters, long and 13 pounds, 5.9 kilograms. To be able to survive at these incredible depths, you need to be able to withstand extremely low temperatures and a total lack of exposure to sunlight. They move by slowly flapping their arm-like fins, which resemble ears, and they steer with their arms. Dumbo octopuses. Number 1. Hydroid jellyfish. The Turritopsis nutricula is a hydroid jellyfish that belongs to the family Oceanside. Although it was first discovered in the Caribbean Sea, this species may now be found in all of the warm and tropical waters throughout the world. Since it was first discovered by researchers in Colombia, further sightings have included areas close to Japan and the Mediterranean Sea. It has a gelatinous and see-through covering and is quite tall. 8 tentacles are present in juvenile organisms, but adults can have anywhere from 80 to 90 tentacles. It possesses the ability to glow in the dark and has a large red stomach on the inside. How was the video? Do you enjoy it? Tell us in our comments section below and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates.